Welcome back, Python enthusiasts. Get ready to dive deep into the world of programming as we bring you an exciting new video, Python Made Easy, exploring 5 essential concepts with examples and scripts. Variables and data types. Variables are used to store and manipulate data in Python. Python supports various data types such as strings, text, integers, whole numbers, floats, decimal numbers, and booleans, true/false values. In this example, we define different variables. Name stores the string value, John, age stores the integer value 25, height stores the float value 1.75, and is_student stores the boolean value true. Conditional statements, if-else. Conditional statements allow us to make decisions in Python based on certain conditions. The if-else structure helps execute different blocks of code depending on the evaluation of conditions. In this script, we have an age variable set to 18. The conditional statements check the value of age. If age is less than 18, it prints, "You are a minor." If age is between 18 and 65, it prints, "You are an adult." Otherwise, it prints, "You are a senior citizen." Loops for and while. Loops help in repeating a block of code multiple times. Python offers 2 types of loops, the for loop, which iterates over a sequence of items, and the while loop, which repeats as long as a given condition is true. In the for loop example, we have a list of numbers. The loop iterates over each number in the list and prints it. In the while loop example, we initialize count to 0 and print its value while it is less than 5. The count is incremented by 1 in each iteration. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They help in organizing code and promoting code reusability. Functions take input parameters, if required, and can return output values. In this script, we define a function called greet that takes a parameter name. The function prints a greeting message with the provided name. We then call the greet function twice with different names, Alice and Bob. File handling. File handling allows us to read from and write to files on the disk. Python provides built-in functions to open, read, write, and close files. It enables data persistence and interaction with external files. In the first part, we open a file named data.txt in read mode R. We then read the content of the file using the read function and store it in the content variable. Finally, we print the content and close the file. In the second part, we open a file named output.txt in write mode W. We use the write function to write the text. This is some text to the file. After writing, we close the file. Thank you. I hope you can get useful knowledge from this video. Good luck. Please like, share, and subscribe.